Kesorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance 2 kebalam khamat da keseng NPP hadian ke Jingkut no jong senam arja arpulai kalala pan pendap ya ke Jing Syakri ke basipau punai bat halor kene kalami ke Jing Kentho na keseng Kongres ke badan san ngot KMLA bat woi MP kata haluk sabha habakeli kumno ke Kongres ke badan hakal yang persya hapo ke jela ke sim halor ke Jing Trei Kesorkar MDA 2 uba Vincent H Pala u Presiden ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee baru MP Shillong Sabha na Shillong Parliamentary Seat Dewïong baka MDA kala ai Jing kular ban pelat Dewïong penban ke wanra daki karkhana san Dewïong bat Kentho ru baka Jing penlong Tamasa ru kamdei ke bamdan Jingmut bat la Pyrkhat bet tang ya ke Pisa Dewïong bagi kular nadu Kesorkar MDA 1 ru dang bon ki basa teng kum ke Jing kular banyarap basan lak bat Kesorkar kala penjat iki Jaka kaput Dewïong bagi pajba ki hab ban smuthu bhai ya ka rukom sensyar bat kmilanti bikin pai se ka Kongres ha ka election MP ban 1
See, if you look at the MDA, be it MDA 1 or the MDA 2, I'm talking from the point of commitment. They promised work to 5 lakhs people. I think not even 1 lakh has been finished. At least if you divide that 5 lakhs divided by 5 years, so how many has been employed? 0. They promised coal in the manifesto, 0. They have made a funfair that they have given a mining license, 0. Rather they give us so many coke plants, this become poison for the people. And with that coke plant today, the people are having an orange festival without orange. Today people have pine festival without pine. And with that, you know, that decision we have taken only for the sake of money. And sake of greed, they have spoiled the entire West Coast Hills, the entire Jaka Hills, entire border. So I think it's total failure. Nobody will be happy for the last, not even 10 months or so, before also. But somehow, because of the gap between the leaders and because of the ego of the leaders from the Congress, this has been, they got a second chance. But people will definitely, you know, realize and definitely will rethink right from the coming election of the Lok Sabha.